Hey y'all, and welcome back. I hope you're ready for some cleaning motivation. This is my house after a very busy weekend, and quite honestly, I just neglected some of the things, but we were so busy and I was too tired, quite honestly. So I am tackling it all today, and I'm starting with my Dawn Power Wash. I keep this extra bottle in my bathroom. I have one for my kitchen, and this is the one I use in my bathrooms. And I love this stuff. It cleans amazing. I cannot say enough about it. So I use it to clean bathrooms. I mean, I think if it's good enough to clean your pots that you eat out of, your plates you eat off of, your glasses you drink out of, surely it's good enough to clean your bathroom. So that's why I use it. And it's really good to remove any like soap scum buildup, any of that gross, yucky mess. So I'm just giving it a good clean, wiping off my cabinets. I try to do this periodically. I don't try to just wait to do the spring cleaning. I do try to keep up with that. And I actually keep this power wash in my bathtub, and I've actually been using it pretty much daily. Once I get out, I just kind of spray the tub down and give it a wipe off and rinse it off, and that's been helping keep it up and not get in such terrible shape. So I decided I would start out with my bathroom and bedroom today because I hate to clean those two rooms. And I don't know why. They're not the worst rooms in the house, but they're my most dreaded, so I was getting them out of the way. So I'm out of my little Clorox cleaner, so I'm using this Comet. I don't show me cleaning my toilet because it kind of grosses a lot of people out, but I did put on a glove and used it to clean my toilet. And I'm swapping out my towels for a fresh clean towel. And I'm lighting this candle that I got from Walmart, and I don't recommend this one. I recommend the Juicy Watermelon from Walmart if you're looking for a good summer candle. And here's the room. You know, typical bed needs to be made, stuff needs to be put up. There's my iPad laying on the bed. I'm getting James's trash off the nightstand and Buster's toys. And I'm not changing my sheets because I had just washed them over the weekend, so they're clean, didn't need to be changed. So I'm just going to make my bed up and get it all tidied up. And I'm going to be using this Febreze fabric sanitizing spray on my bed. I like to use this periodically. Buster does sleep with us. He does get baths regularly, but I'm not dumb. He is a dog, and you know, they do smell sometimes. So I like to freshen my bed up with that and spray that. And I'm just going to put my pillows on there and get it all cleaned up and tidied up. And we'll move on to the next room. I love opening my blinds. I love that tree outside my window. I just think it is beautiful. And anytime I can open up my blinds, if it's not blazing hot, I do it. So now I'm going to take my rugs up, shake them all off. I like to pick up everything off the floors when I'm about to mop. And so I'm just going to sweep real good. And then I'm going to take everything off the floor in the bedroom as well. But I will come back later and mop the floors. I'm going to continue my cleaning, but I do like to move everything off the floors that I can move before I mop. That's just how I've always done it. I know some people don't do it that way. They kind of mop around, but it's just my thing, and I just do it. I might as well while I'm cleaning, I might as well just clean it all, you know. So that's what I'm doing. But right now I'm just sweeping the bedroom, gonna get that all done, and then I'm gonna move into the kitchen. And here we are. Oh my goodness. Yes, this kitchen, a disaster. Look at that. James left the pizza box open just on the counter. He come to bed after I did, so I didn't even know that until I walked in there and seen that. And I'm just like, oh, yeah, welcome to my life. Anyway, this is the state of the kitchen. There's dishes in the sink, all the stuff we used on the bar from the weekend. Well, not all of it, but some of it. There's the table. It's all stripped. It's not sticky anymore, y'all. It's not sticky, but it's not painted yet. And there's a reason for that, because we still have to fix the chairs. And so we're going to do that. And then once we get the chairs fixed, I'm going to paint it all at one time, because that paint sprayer, it's a blessing, but it's also a pain to clean. So I'm waiting until the chairs are fixed, and then we're going to just paint it all at one time. And then we have to make sure the weather's right. So there's a lot more going into it than just stripping a table. You know what I mean? So now I'm just going to, I'm going to clean out my sinks first. I know I'm kind of doing this backwards, but I just wanted them to be clean, so when I'm putting my clean dishes in the sink, you know, I'm not putting the clean dishes in a dirty sink. Does that make sense? So I'm just going to clean my sinks real good, and then I'm going to run me some water and wash up these few dishes. Luckily, I didn't have that many. And I honestly just don't ever have enough dishes to justify running a dishwasher. I use my dishwasher like on big family days when we have so many, but it's just me and James, and to me, it's just much easier to hand wash these few dishes than it is to wait till I get enough in the dishwasher to justify running it. And by that time, then you've got so many, and you've had to wait so long, you've got to smell and just, you know, all that fun stuff we don't like to talk about, right? So I'm going to get these dishes washed up and then continue cleaning the kitchen. So, I mean, why couldn't he walk this box over to the garbage can just like I did? I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to use my Mrs. Myers. I'm still using my apple cider scent. I just love it. I know it's a fall scent, but I love it. So I'm going to use it up. And just going to wipe down my cabinets real well. And while I'm doing this, I do take the opportunity to wipe off my cream and sugar canisters. And I'm not moving everything off the cabinets. That'll be for another day. But, you know, I'm going to use my stovetop is clean, but I'm going to use my spray away glass cleaner and just kind of freshen it up, get any dust or anything, and I wipe the microwave off. You can't see me doing that, but that's what I'm doing. And I'm just kind of touching it up and just kind of tidying it up. It wasn't bad. And then this is my new favorite candle from Bath & Body Works, Sugared Lemonade. I love it, and I'm just going to burn it. And look at this, y'all. I got this at a consignment shop. And I put matches in it, and I just used that super duper strong sticky tape to put it on the wall. I don't know if that's what it was for matches, but, you know, that's what I use it for. I just put matches in there, and I put it over there closest to the stove because that's where I keep my candles. And it works out good. So, yeah, that's a new little purchase I made that I didn't share. And now I got to clean this garbage can off. It is just horrible. So I'm using my Spick and Span disinfectant cleaner. Just going to wipe off the top of it real well. Get it all nice and clean. And then going to put a fresh clean towel out. I love that. And now to go to the garage and put all these things up that belong there. My hammer, my iPad go in my office. That's always something. Got to wipe off the spar and just continue on. I don't need another love. Yeah. We do this every day, we do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun. So I'm moving on to the living room. It's not too bad. It's just just needs to throws be put up. I open my blinds, and I'm going to show y'all some shots of Buster in a minute. He loves it when those blinds are open. He's so cute. He goes and looks out the window. But since filming this, I have changed my living room back around. I did it myself, and it wasn't too bad, so yay me. But I'm just going to clean off my table. Look at that. Oh, so dusty. Anyway, I love opening my Bible, having it open to scriptures. And then this is a book that one of my friends sent me. It's a daily devotional book, and I love it. I leave it sitting right here because I read it in the mornings. And so now I am going to be moving everything out of the way because I'm getting ready to mop the kitchen. And when I do that, then I will go and mop the bedroom and the bathroom. Try to break it up, but I'm just, picking up the rug, moving everything that I can out of the way. Then I'm going to sweep and get ready to mop. Fun times, y'all. Fun times to be had. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I
can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes.
Y'all, I wish I could move this fast in real life. I wish I could get this house cleaned in about 20 minutes like this video. But I'm loving my O-Cedar mop. I've got the little formula down that I'm liking. And the only problem I have with this O-Cedar mop, and I don't know if it's because I got like a lemon mop or what, but the handle will not stay up. It keeps sliding down on me. And I have locked and locked and locked. But anyway. And then you'll see me scratching a couple places on the floor. It's like little where there's paint splatter on the floor, just little spots that the mop wouldn't get up. And I just kind of reach down there and scratch it up and mop it on up. But I do love this O-Cedar mop. I'm really enjoying it. It is an awesome mop. And I'm so glad I finally got on the bandwagon and got me one. So now I'm moving into the bathroom. I'm going to get it all mopped. And then I'll move into my bedroom and get it mopped. And what I love about the O-Cedar mop is I can actually get under like the nightstand and under the armoire, so it's not so bad like if we ever move it. Now my bed is a different story, and James and I are gonna have to move that out one day and just let me clean under it really well. But I love that the fact that I can kind of mop under the things in the bedroom and any kind of things that are lifted up off the floor with this mop, because it's thin enough and I can get under those items, and I really like that.
Everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble acting, everlasting ego.
Y'all, nothing beats a clean house. I just love it, but we're not finished yet, so that's why those things are not put up yet. We still have to sweep and mop the living room, the bathroom, the hallway, and the laundry room. So now I'm moved into the guest bath. Thank goodness it's not too bad. Just going to clean it up again with my Dawn Power Wash. I love this stuff. I don't know if y'all caught on to that yet, but I really love this stuff. I like to get the apple scent too because it smells really nice, and I love it. Anyway, so I'm going to get that cleaned up. Fresh towel in there. I love these towels that I thrifted, y'all. I just think they are so cute, and I'm so glad that I have multiple of them because I can always keep that towel out. Now, this was the Juicy Watermelon candle that I was talking about earlier. Love this candle. Highly, highly, highly recommend this candle from Walmart. This particular size, I think, was like $3.90 something. So now I'm going to move everything I can out of the living room. And this is where y'all going to see Buster with the window. And he is so stinking cute, y'all. Oh, my bad. No, it's coming up, I promise. So I'm just going to move everything out of the hallway, get the rugs up, get the rugs out of the laundry room. Now I'm going to sweep. And now coming up, y'all should see Buster in the window soon. I know it's in here, y'all. I know it is. I seen it when I was editing it. But anyway, I'm just going to kind of sweep the floors, give the rug a good go over. There he is. I knew I was in here. And he's so cute, y'all. He loves that window. And he loves that he can stand up there and look out it. He has to inspect everything. So I thought I'd throw that in there for y'all that love Buster. So I'm just going to finish sweeping, and then we're going to move on to mopping.
But I want you close, and I still glad to see me again. Do you remember when I used to come over to your house every day? Still remember the smell of your car when you drove me down to that lake.
Okay, y'all, everything is nice and clean. It smells so good. I'm ready for the weekend. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank y'all for motivating me by me filming this video to get my house clean. I hope through it I can motivate you to get up and get yours done, get it knocked out. It just feels so good to have a fresh, clean house with everything smelling so good. I love y'all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.